Hello, welcome to Market Mantra with Bhushan Shanbhag. I am Dr. Bhushan Shanbhag. In this particular video, we are going to see first what are the principles of technical analysis. Now, whenever we are talking of technical analysis, we have already seen that it is the study of past prices to understand what is happening or what is likely to happen in near future. So let us start with the basic principles of technical analysis. There are three basic principles of technical analysis. What are these three? Whenever we come to these, the first principle, prices discount everything. What does that mean? It means whatever known information is there, prices will automatically adjust in the trading as soon as the market opens, and in a very short time, the impact of that news is nullified. Okay. That is, let us say a company declares profit. What happens? The next morning, market opens. Within a few minutes, maybe half an hour, 45 minutes, the prices will increase because now expectations from company have increased. But in a short of span of time, that impact will be gone. Now, afterwards, again, if somebody says the same company has made profit, who is going to pay attention to it? Nobody. Why? Because that profit, that news of profit has already got discounted. Understood the meaning? It applies everywhere, maybe profit, maybe loss. Okay. And not only for a particular company. If economy is going bad, some news start coming, automatically the market starts coming down. Why? That news is discounted. Now, say for example, in March 2020, Nifty came down by almost 4,000 points. Why? COVID scare. Now, if I tell you COVID scare, fine, you're not going to pay importance. It is known that news has got discounted. Okay, so prices discount everything. Second, prices of securities move in trends. What is trend? Trend means a direction. Okay, there are three main directions: upward direction, downward direction, and sideways direction. Then depending on the force of the move, these may be further divided as like strong uptrend, medium uptrend, mild uptrend, mild downtrend, medium downtrend, strong downtrend. These are the subdivisions, but main trends are three: up, down, and sideways. Okay, main trends are three. So price of securities move in trends. What is the meaning? Meaning, if the stock is moving up, it will continue moving up for a few days. Now, does that mean it will continuously be up in a straight line? No, it will be up, down, but still the broader direction will be the same. So prices of securities move in trends. Okay. Third principle, history repeats. If some type of event happens and market gave one type of reaction, similar reaction will be there. Maybe different in magnitude, depending on intensity of this news, but overall impact will be same. Some people say history rhymes. They don't say it repeats, but rhymes means what? Similar impact. Okay, like in 2009, Manmohan Singh government got elected. Nobody was expecting it to be a stable government, but it was a stable government. Markets straight went up, went through the roof. Right, 20% plus rise in 2 days. Okay, actually two double circuits on the same day. Then in 2014, Modi government got elected. Again, it was a stable government. Market went up only. Magnitude was less, but it went up. 2019, again, India government was a stable government. Again, market went up only. So history repeats. Whatever is reaction of the market to one news, when same type of news comes again, reaction is same. So these three are the basic principles of technical analysis. If you want to know more about technical analysis, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon. I'll be loading more videos. As soon as a new video is loaded, you will come to know immediately if you click the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.